Parkside Garage here. It's Sunday, and what's more better thing to do than open a new tool? So we got a Milwaukee M12 right angle impact 3/8 drive, part number 256420. It has 220 foot-pounds of torque. Cost me $200 in Home Depot. Let's see what's inside. Alright, so we got the box. Came with some catalog, owner's manual, and of course the tool itself. Doesn't come with a battery. Definitely head heavy. Mode control, trigger, forward and reverse, safe. You know what I would wish for this? Instead of them making this forward and reverse, they should just make the trigger like forward, reverse, forward, reverse. Those type of triggers are very good for automotive use. Tomorrow is Monday. We're gonna see what this thing can do. Alright, it's Monday. Let's see what this thing can do. 21 millimeter lug nut on this Toyota Camry. They're generally torque around 80 to 110. Let's see if this thing can take that. It's important. Ooh, no problem. No problem right there. 17 millimeter bolt, caliper bolts on a 95 Toyota Tacoma. No problem. (2016) Acura RDX.
So can you see if it's
Tie rod nut.